In this lecture, we are going to study the spectrum analyzer. As we see the block diagram here, the spectrum analyzer is having a mixture in which that RF input is provided, and there is a local oscillator which is known as sweep local oscillator, and narrowband IF amplifier it is having, one detector is having, and one video amplifier is there, and whose output has been given onto the horizontal plates to show the vertical deflection. And here is horizontal vertical plates where the that blinking spot will deflect horizontally. And this is a sweep voltage generator which generates the sawtooth wave and sawtooth wave. And so now you can see the working. Then sawtooth wave voltage generator is giving the supply onto the vertical plates, which controls the horizontal movement of the spot, blinking spot across the scope. So on horizontal axis it will be moving, and whereas whatever the signal is there from the video amplifier, that will give the amplitude. And here this scope is calibrated in that is amplitude versus frequency. Frequency is plotted onto the horizontal axis and the amplitude is plotted onto the vertical axis. So how does it work? Now this signal has given the sweep voltage onto this for controlling the spot movement horizontally, and here we are giving it to the sweep local oscillator, and this local oscillator will mix it with the input frequency, and then one IF we get. That IF is amplified, and from here the signal is detected. That detected signal is provided onto the video amplifier, which amplifies the video and provides it onto the horizontally oriented plates, so for the vertical deflection to represent the amplitude. So we can see, for example, we can see if that IF we are fixing, that IF is 450 kilohertz suppose, and this local oscillator frequency, if we assume that is 8000 kilohertz, then the IF, if we say that IF is nothing but the signal frequency minus the oscillator frequency. So signal frequency you can get IF plus oscillator frequency, or IF minus oscillator frequency. We will see that 8450 kilohertz and that is 7550 kilohertz will be the two frequencies that may be the signal which will oscillate or which will swing around this F0 center frequency, and it will produce, we can have the IF, that is signal frequency. And IF frequency, suppose we have 450 kilohertz, then we can see what is the image frequency. So image frequency can be calculated by multiplying it by 2, the IF frequency multiplied by 2, then it becomes 900 kilohertz. And 900 kilohertz, either it may be above the signal frequency or it may be lower the frequency, signal frequency. So that is sweep frequency, that is image frequency. So we have to reject the image frequency and we have to have the IF frequency only. For that we are having this circuit, and the resolution and the bandwidth of the IF amplifier is decided by its bandwidth only. Okay, so bandwidth of the IF amplifier decides the bandwidth of the spectrum analyzer, and the bandwidth of this also decides the resolution of this spectrum analyzer. Here some of the more things we have, that what is that image frequency we are having. So this is a if we say that the basic design consideration for proper operation, we have we must have that frequency sweep rate. What should be the frequency sweep rate? What should be the frequency range? What should be the bandwidth of the IF amplifier? And what should be the center frequency of the IF amplifier? So we have this spectrum analyzer. A spectrum analyzer, we can say it is a broadband super head to head receiver. So I read it from the Annapurna Das book. It is having very good explanation. Thank you very much.